Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out another wig review. So this unit is from Youth Beauty Hair Collection. I really love the packaging for this hair, you guys. It comes with a bag, a satin cap, and it even comes with a hanging up bag that you can use to dry your wig and to store your wig. I love that. I think it's super genius. So the unit that I have today is their Kinky Straight wig. It's a lace front wig and it is a bob. This unit is super gorgeous. It's that nice coarse Yaki texture that really mimics black girl hair when it's sort of like flat iron, but still has that really pretty texture. So to go ahead and apply the wig, I put on a nude stocking cap. I went ahead and added some foundation to the edge of the cap. I went ahead and put the yellow Got to Be Glued on, and then I also sprayed it with my Indie hairspray. The wig construction is really nice, you guys. It comes with an elastic band that is adjustable, and you can even take the band out. It has like those bra strap type of things in it, which is dope. So this wig fit me really perfectly. I did end up using the bra strap and it worked perfectly, you guys. I love the construction of this wig. It has the combs at the top, it has a comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps as well. So when I went ahead and applied this unit, I didn't bother cutting the lace first. I went ahead and put the unit on my head using the Got to Be Glued and the hairspray. I also added a little extra hairspray to keep the hair back while I put my gleaming baby hair scarf on. If you want to grab one of these baby hair scarves for $8, they are available on my website. You can just go to gleaming.com and grab you one, and I'll ship it out for you. And it really works well for laying down your lace fronts and also laying down your baby hairs. So even if you don't wear wigs, you can still use the baby hair scarf. So then I went ahead and cut off the excess lace. As you can see, I didn't cut all the lace off. I left some of the lace on my skin. I did that because I'm going to go ahead and add some baby hairs. And it's always best not to cut your lace in like a perfectly straight circle. The eye will like attract to that. So you want to create a more jagged line with your lace so that the eye doesn't pick up on it as easily. I went ahead and added some more foundation to go ahead and blend, but where you can still see the lace, you just want to add a little bit more Got to Be Glue to just go ahead and melt that lace into your scalp. You can do that before you do your baby hairs just to give it that real seamless look. So I went ahead and cut away the excess lace near my ears and cut away the excess lace around my forehead. Pulled some baby hairs down just using a rat tail comb. Pushed the wig behind my ears so that it looks really nice. Went ahead and laid my edges down with the Style Factor Edge Control. That's my favorite one at the moment, you guys. So I still wasn't 100% happy with how the lace was looking, so I decided to go in with some powder. I used just a small flat brush to add the powder, but when I added the powder I realized it was a little bit too light and it was showing up too much. So then I just kind of rubbed that in and then went over it with a shade darker, and this one looked a lot better to me. I was much happier with that. So now that I'm happy with how the lace frontal is looking, it's time to go ahead and add a part. So I went ahead and used a comb to just create a nice little side part for myself. I never cared left or right side. I don't have a good or bad side, so it doesn't matter which side I use. So I went ahead and added that same powder that I used around my forehead and used that on the parting space. I went ahead and used the flat iron to just flat iron the hair a little bit more and to take some of that volume down. The flat iron I use is the HSI Professional Ceramic Flat Iron. Then I went ahead and just added a little bit of edge control in the part and around my hairline So go ahead and make everything lay really nice and flat. At this point, you can always add your gleaming scarf again to lay your edges down and super lay down your parting space and your hairline again. I didn't really feel the need to do that, but I definitely did that at night. So this is pretty much the end result, you guys. I hope you loved this tutorial. Definitely check out Youth Beauty Hair Collection. I'll leave a link in the information bar down below. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because it really helps me out, and share this video with a friend. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me, Jess the Dragoness. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.